Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add music to your Facebook story with multiple photos. So here I'm going to just start by clicking on the create story options in Facebook, and then here I'm going to just click on select multiple to add multiple photos, and then choose the photos that I want to update. So for example, I want to update these two photos. Now click on next, and here click on the photo collage. Okay, I'm going to rotate this first, and after that you can just adjust the position of the photos as you like. And to add the music, just click on this music icon on the right panel of your Facebook story, and then choose or find the music that you want. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this, and you can also adjust the position like that. Okay, after that you can now just click on share, and your Facebook story with multiple photos and also music will be uploaded. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.